For our ingredients, we have half cup melted butter or 1 stick. And here we have half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of white granulated sugar, half a cup of dark brown sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cup of flour, and 1 large egg. So we're going to start with our butter. Into that, we're going to add our sugar. So half cup of that and half cup of this. And we're just going to whisk this together until it's smooth. Okay, this looks good. Kind of looks like melted candy, but it is butter and sugar. Delicious. Now we're going to add our vanilla. And we're going to add 1 egg. Okay, this is looking good. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients because it's not exactly dough yet. Here we have half a teaspoon baking powder. And then we're going to add our flour, which is 1 1/4 cup. And then you just want to mix that. So you're just going to keep on going. Oh, I spilled flour. Oh, my mom's going to be mad. And if this gets like kind of doughy, you can use a spatula to mix this in and like incorporate it slowly. So now you just want to keep on doing this until it turns into a dough. Okay, this dough is looking nice. So I'm going to add my chocolate. Now, I like a lot of chocolate in my cookies, and I like a good texture, so I'm putting a mixture of chunks and chips. I think, like, for this recipe, about half cup of chocolate is good, but depending on how much you like, you can put more or less. You just want to kind of fold this in until it's nicely incorporated. I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now, it depends how big or small you like your cookies, but I think 1 to 2 tablespoons is good, which is like kind of like a chunk. And I'm using a small ice cream scoop to do this. The big ones give like really big cookies, and for me, those are a bit too big. So now I'm just gonna scoop these all in. I think you can fit about 9 in this tray. And this recipe should make about 15. More or less, it depends. Okay, that looks about good. That actually made exactly 15 for me, so my measurement was right on point. Now I'm gonna put these in the oven for 12 minutes. Okay. Alright, these just came out of the oven. They look so amazing. So I guess let's try one. Mmm. It's so good. And just the right amount of crispiness and crunchiness. And with the chocolate chunks, it makes a perfect texture because they're like little pockets of like just goozy chocolate. It tastes so amazing. And I would recommend this recipe for if you just want to take this to a party, if you want to give it to your friends. Okay.